Hey, Stuart here. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up your company details in Styck and how to add additional users. So this can all be done by clicking on your name in the top right-hand corner. That opens up your MyStick profile and is where your general settings area is. Here we're going to click on company and users, which will take us to this company settings page where on the left-hand side, we can set up our company details. On the right-hand side, we'll have our list of users and can add additional users. So on the left-hand side, we've got our company details. We've got here our company name and ABN. Below that, we've got a spot for our company logo. So we just click on there where it says click to upload logo. If I click on that, I can select a file and upload it in. Now, that logo there, we can use it for our branding on our claims, RFIs, purchase orders, etc. So with those templates, this logo will now appear. Below that, we've got an area for our address where we can put our address details in. We can put our phone number in as well and our website. All that information there will also be able to be visible on templates as well. So again, it can be shown on your claims, purchase orders, etc. And we're just clicking Save Profile Details there to save those details in place. On the right-hand side, we have our users. Here you can see we've got an active user and a not invited user. So when we have a not invited user, it essentially means someone that's in our contacts. We might be entering timesheets, etc. for this person, but they're not actually an active user of Styck. So what you can do there, you've got a couple of options. I can either click on that not invited person at the moment. They might be just a person from our contacts. And then I can go through here and I can set them up as a user of Styck. I've got a box there at the top where I can say click on that to allow them to have access to all modules and pages. So if I click on that, it just selects them all. But essentially what we can do here is we can go through here and we can just click the boxes next to the parts of the software we'd like that person to access. So if it's not ticked, for example, I've got here the project budget. If that box is not ticked, it means this particular user will not be able to access the project budget. So I'm able to go through there. I can select whether they've got the option to be able to change settings. So I can give them access to that or not give them access. Same with approving things. I can choose whether they can approve or not be able to approve. And then down the bottom here, when I'm ready. So for this user, for example, let's just say we're going to give that user access to everything. I'm just going to go down here and click Save Styck User. So when you do that, that sends off an email to that person there, and then they will get like a login email and be able to log into Styck and basically go from there. The other option as well you have here is you could just add a user in when you click on that. That allows you to put in that new user details where you can put in a person's name, email address, and their phone number and be able to do the same process there where you click and give access and send them to. So very straightforward there about being able to give access to users. Now, there's another step to this too with the users is you can actually remove access to a user in Styck. So if I went back to that person again and I went down the bottom here, there's a delete Styck user. So when I delete that Styck user, it means that person can't log into Styck anymore and they won't have access to the features anymore. That doesn't mean their history is erased. So everything that person does is still there. So that is untouched. It just means that person can no longer log into Styck. If this is done by accident or you need to reinstate someone, you can just simply go back, add that person in again, and that person will be able to log in again. So that's how we're able to set up our company details and add additional users to Styck.